Hello, hi and welcome to a new video. This is a home bargains haul, which Troy is now trying to get in the bag. Troy, stop it. He's got dog food in there, which you'll see because it's a haul. I won't plan on filming this video, so this is an extra one for you in the middle of the week, I believe. Yes, I'm just going to get started because there's quite a few things. So first thing, boring thing, toilet roll. Best place to go is Home Bargains for toilet roll. Troy's now like following everything around the room that I'm putting down. It's currently now this side, doing the toilet roll. Right. Exciting things. Well, not so exciting things. Anthony's are going to a festival this weekend. Baby wipes for his festival, so didn't really need to show you that. More boring stuff. Oh, I've got a really big bag, I'm going to have to put it in front of me. Another baby wipes. And like I said, the dog food that the dog can currently smell. So we can go over there and smell this. Try what's this over here? Yeah, go smell that. More boring things. Bleach for our upstairs bathroom. Home Bargains is the best place to go for all the essentials you need for the house. Get your nose out now, out. No, go away. Right, so the more exciting things now, we've got a holiday booked for next year and I wanted a folder. This is a zip one and it was only 39p. This is why I love Home Bargains. It was just, I thought it would be a good idea to put the documents and things for the holiday in here, and it's obviously clear and flat to take actually on the holiday with us as well. I got some Airwick, what do you call these, scented oils to go in a plug-in, and this is the Life Scents plugins for upstairs. We've currently got the spray for this downstairs and it's a really nice smell. So this is going upstairs. One is going in the hallway and I believe the other one's going in here or the bedroom. I'm not decided yet. It depends what needs the most help with the smells. I also bought a bouquet of these pink roses. I currently have some roses in a vase on our kitchen table, but because, I mean, we've had them 2 weeks and they're still going strong. They're like real ones. So instead of just buying real ones constantly, I thought these look nice in it. Get rid of the leaves because I hate the leaves. Like, cut all the leaves off and just have the bouquet. I think they'll be really pretty as well for photo props. And they don't look that bad, so these were like $2.99 I think. I've got a few boring things. I've got this kettle descaler, because obviously my kettle needs descaling at the moment. We've had it a year now in this house, so that's why. Boring stuff. Rubber gloves, another boring thing, but when I'm cleaning with bleach, I hate the really dry fingers you get afterwards, so yes. Anthony's beans, Heinz beans, that's what all he eats, to be quite honest. I hate beans, so a 6-pack to himself will do him for quite a while. We have got a card for a new baby girl, because Anthony's new baby niece is due to be born. Actually, the due date is a week today. So we've got one ready to go for when the baby arrives. I bought 2 of these. These are the Garnier Skin Active Tissue Masks. Now this is the black tissue mask with pure charcoal. This zero tissue mask, I actually feel like it does something for my skin, so I picked up 2. This is definitely my favourite mask at the moment. Another boring thing is a fly and wasp killer. I know it seems a bit harsh, but we've got an electric fly swatter, but honestly it's just not working for me. like, because it takes forever to actually swap them, don't it, and chase them around the house, so I'm not doing that no more. I got this, and I've been looking for one of these for ages. I went into a big Tesco's a couple of days ago and there wasn't any. Home Bargains, of course, had loads. Should have gone there first. Right. I also got, oh, the box is ruined, but I also got a Sephora. This is Springtime scent. I love Sephora, and I've been using it all over my house. I've not smelled this one yet. Let's have a whiff. I hope I like it. It's quite nice. Very subtle floral scent. And then the two last things, I've got a bag of Galaxy Minstrels. Love Minstrels. They are just ready for when I want a sweet treat. And then last thing, which I'm really excited about, are these Lenore Unstoppables. Everybody talks about them and this scent as well, and I've been meaning to try them for quite a while, but they're quite pricey. So Home Bargains, this size, this small size, is £3.50, somewhere like that, and I still think it's a lot, but oh, I can't wait to do my washing in these. It smells so good. It's going to make my house smell so good as well. And that is it. That is it for my Home Bargains haul. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week for a brand new video. Bye.